Adobe Photoshop CC photo editing free tutorial. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. Once you have all of the images loaded onto the screen in Adobe Photoshop CC and the text that you would like to make 3D, click on your text and right click under the layers panel and click blending options. Once loaded, click bevel, contour, and texture. And you can even add a drop shadow if you would like, and click OK. In this case, our text looks a little 3D. It's not bad, but we want to make it actually look even better. So click on your text, make sure that your text is rasterized by right clicking and click rasterize. And in this case, it's already rasterized. So on your keyboard, click Ctrl N T or Ctrl T and your text is still selected and highlighted. Move the up arrow key once and the left arrow key once. Click enter. And now click N, hold Shift and Alt T. And do this multiple times until you're happy or satisfied with the desired 3D effect. And as you can see, and then now scroll down and hold down Shift and click the original image. Right click and click to convert smart object. And now as you can see, you have a 3D text. You can apply the same principles to both of these right here, or all of the images. Select the image, right click, rasterize layer, right click again, blending options, bevel, contour, texture, drop shadow, Control plus T, and this time I'm moving the arrow key down and the right arrow key to the right, and I'm holding down or clicking Control, Shift, Alt, and T all at the same time, and keep doing that until you're happy with the desired result. And now I'm scrolling down and I'm highlighting everything by clicking and holding down Shift and then convert to smart object. Another way to make your photos or images 3D is to select the image, Control T, right click your image, and click on this option right here, perspective, which is above distort and under skew. And you can click any one of the corners right here and you can move it inwards or even outwards and it makes it 3D. Or you can even click and then again right click distort, which is underneath perspective, and you can do the exact same thing for the corner pieces and it makes your image look 3D. If you want to adjust the same effect as we did on this image before, click on our new image. You can do the same thing. Right click, rasterize, click blending options, Control Shift Alt T on your keyboard, and then move the arrow key up and then left or whatever you want with the arrow keys. And then again, Control Shift Alt and T on your keyboard. And as you can see, we now have a 3D looking effect or image. And this is the before. And this is the after. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.